Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So, as you know, there is a lot of construction going on in Jamaica. And it's safe to say never before has Jamaica seen this level of construction. Everywhere you look, a building is going up, whether it's residential or commercial. So today we're going to talk about the hotels. Now, as you know, the hotel industry in Jamaica, or the tourism industry, I should say, brings in more foreign exchange than any other industry in Jamaica. So, we're going to go through an article that talks about some of the hotels that are under construction in Jamaica or that will get started soon. But before we go through the article, okay, let's go through the article and we discuss it after. Jamaica expected to earn US $5 billion from hotel rooms to be constructed. Jamaica is projected to earn more than US $5 billion in direct foreign exchange inflows from visitor occupancy of approximately 8,000 rooms slated for construction over the next 2 to 5 years. Tourism Minister Honorable Edmund Bartlett says over 24,000 new jobs are also expected to be generated by the developments, valued approximately US $2 billion, which are either on the way or slated to commence shortly. It will be the largest expansion of tourism in the history of the industry in Jamaica, Mr. Bartlett further indicated during a recent media briefing at Gordon House in downtown Kingston. Mr. Bartlett said the programmed activities include the 2,000-room Princess Hotel in Hanover, which he noted is going apace, adding that we are expecting to have the first 1,000 rooms ready by 2023. The minister indicated that the 260-room Sandals Duns River development in Ochorea St. Anne is going extremely well, pointing out that we should have the completion also towards the end of 2022 into 23. He further advised that the new 700-room Rio Hotel being constructed in Falmouth, Trelawney is expected to go apace and should be ready by mid-2023. Meanwhile, Mr. Bartlett said groundbreakings are slated for several developments, among them the 2,000-room Hard Rock Hotel in St. James, which he informed will be in another few weeks. The minister pointed out that the development will be a multi-facility with not just one but 3 different layers of hotel experiences, including a very high-end brand, details of which will be unveiled in due course. Then we have a number of other smaller projects happening by our own local Jamaicans who are doing smaller hotels and villas, he further indicated. Mr. Bartlett highlighted that the villa subsector, which he noted is growing in leaps and bounds. He noted that it is in helping to change the clientele demographic visiting Jamaica, attract more families, and offers a lot more engagement with communities. These families will leave from the villas and purchase at supermarkets and our local markets and elsewhere, and add greatly to the inflows of funds within the communities. So I think Jamaica is in a very good place in terms of the tourism sector, Mr. Bartlett said. So that's the end of the article. So things are definitely looking up in Jamaica. You wouldn't believe COVID happened a few years ago or a few months ago. The tourism industry in Jamaica is booming. Now, he mentioned 2 hotels, a 2,000-room Princess Hotel in Hanover and a 2,000-room Hard Rock Hotel in St. James. And those are massive hotels. That speaks leaps and bounds about the tourism industry in Jamaica. Those are massive hotels. And this is why the Sangster International Airport is so important to Jamaica, because almost all the persons staying at these hotels will fly into the Sangster International Airport. It was recently renovated, the terminals, and they're expanding the runway. And also, this is why the government has to spend so much money to expand the Northern Coastal Highway in Jamaica. If they are going to expand it from Montego Bay to Ocho Rios. And this is part of the reason why they have to do it, because there is such a booming industry in Jamaica for tourism, and there are many more hotels under construction. We plan to make videos of all of them, everyone. We're actually going to go through a list of the hotels, and today the tallest building in Jamaica is a hotel, the Pegasus Hotel, and they plan to build many more buildings, some of which will be the tallest among the tallest in Jamaica. So we'll keep you guys updated as to all the progress that's going on, and we're actually going to make videos of all of these projects, every one of them on the North Coast, actually all over Jamaica. So I know some persons say this is an update video, so we're just letting you know what's going on, but we plan to make videos of all these projects. The same way we did an update video on the high-rise buildings in Jamaica, and then over the next few days we went and we did videos of the actual buildings so you can see what's going on. We plan to do that with these as well, but we're just giving you an update as to what's going on in the tourism sector, the building of these hotels. Alright guys, leave your comments in the section below. Also, somebody had asked about a project in New Kingston to build a building that's going to be 32 floors. And that's also going to be a hotel. It's going to be located on the property that's the Hilton is on now. The Hilton Hotel. So what's going on with that project is they are renovating the Hilton. Now it's taking a very long time. I think the renovations were to have finished in 2017, but they haven't finished yet. The Hilton Hotel has not reopened yet. So basically the project is being done in 3 phases. And phase 3 includes building a 32-floor hotel on the property of the Hilton. So they haven't finished phase 1 yet, so phase 3 hasn't started yet. And I don't think they have, the last update we got, it was in the planning stage. I don't think they've gotten approval for the building yet. But we'll keep you guys updated as to what's going on. All right, guys, have a good day.